Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to go ad-free in the My Currency Converter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the add button at the top of the page. And as you can see, in order to remove advertisements, you need to subscribe for the premium version. So if you want to do that, just click on this blue sign and you can subscribe, and of course you can just unsubscribe anytime. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.